Welcome to Beautyistic, where we delve into the latest beauty innovations to enhance your self-care routine. Today, we're reviewing the Towel Steamer Hot Towel Warmer, a 600-watt tabletop moist towel heater designed for professionals and home users alike. This towel steamer boasts a 600-watt heating element, enabling rapid steam generation within 10 seconds. It accommodates up to 18 towels simultaneously, making it ideal for facials, spa treatments, barbershops, and massages. The device features a 30-minute auto shutoff timer for safety and convenience. In our testing, the Towel Steamer Hot Towel Warmer demonstrated impressive performance. It heated towels quickly and evenly, providing a soothing experience for clients. The 30-minute timer ensured consistent warmth without overheating, and the large capacity allowed for efficient service during busy periods. Pros of this towel steamer include its quick heating time, large capacity, and safety features like the auto shutoff timer. However, some users have noted that the towels can become extremely hot, so caution is advised when handling them. Site Turn Search 1. When compared to similar products on the market, this towel steamer offers competitive features at a reasonable price point. Alternatives like the Zadro Hot Towel Warmer Bucket are also popular choices, known for their compact design and effectiveness. Site Turn Search. Considering its performance, capacity, and safety features, the Towel Steamer Hot Towel Warmer offers good value for its price. It's a reliable addition to any professional setting or home spa. The build quality is solid, with durable materials ensuring longevity. The design is user-friendly, featuring intuitive controls and a straightforward setup process. Site Turn Search 2. User-friendliness is a standout feature. The steamer operates quietly and efficiently, with clear instructions for use. The inclusion of tongs adds convenience, allowing users to handle hot towels safely. Customer support has been responsive, with prompt assistance for any inquiries. Users have reported positive experiences when reaching out for guidance or support. In real-world testing, the steamer performed consistently, providing warm towels for various treatments. The 30-minute timer was particularly useful in maintaining optimal temperature without manual intervention. Since the initial review, there have been no significant updates or changes to the product's performance or features. In conclusion, the Towel Steamer Hot Towel Warmer is a reliable and efficient choice for those seeking a quality towel steamer. Its quick heating, large capacity, and safety features make it suitable for both professional and personal use. This product is ideal for professionals in salons, spas, and barbershops, as well as individuals who enjoy a spa-like experience at home. Its ease of use and effectiveness cater to a wide range of users. Regarding longevity, the steamer's durable construction suggests it will withstand regular use over time. Users have reported consistent performance without issues. While this towel steamer is a solid choice, there are more affordable alternatives available that still deliver satisfactory results. It's worth exploring options to find the best fit for your needs. If you're enjoying this review, liking, subscribing, and pressing the bell icon will allow us to bring you more great content and help others find this video too. Thank you for watching. You can find the link to get the product in the comments box. Feel free to ask questions about the product or share your experiences if you own it already.